Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. Punjab is set to endure severe heat for the next 2 days, with the India Meteorological Department issuing a red alert for heat wave conditions across several parts of the state. Now, despite the activation of a western disturbance, a weather system that typically brings changes in temperature and rainfall, any relief from the intense heat is expected to be minimal in the immediate term. Extreme temperature persists. Temperatures have shown only a marginal decline over the past 24 hours, dropping by just 0.1 degrees Celsius and continue to hover around 5 degrees Celsius above seasonal norms. The city of Bathinda recorded the highest temperature at 46.8 degrees Celsius, making it to the hottest location in the state. Chandigarh, the joint capital of Punjab and Haryana, also recorded scorching temperatures at 41.7 degrees Celsius. Electricity demands hit records high. The soaring temperature has led a sharp increase in electricity consumption as residents across the state rely heavily on air conditioning and cooling systems. Yesterday, the state's power consumption surged to 16,836 megawatt, the highest ever recorded, although it dipped slightly to 16,300 megawatt today, deemed remains at critical high levels. Power cuts have been reported in various areas, though officials from the Punjab State Power Corporation Limited have assured that they are prepared to handle the demand, stating that the state has a maximum capacity of supply of up to 17,000 megawatt. Red and orange alerts across the state. The Meteorological Department has categorized the state into 3 zones for more localizing forecast. Red alert zones. Severe heat wave conditions have been flagged in Faridkot, Fazilka, Muktsar, Bathinda, Amritsar, Taran, Mansa and Firozpur. These areas are not only expected to experience extremely high temperature during the day, but also elevated nighttime temperatures, offering little respite after sunset. Orange alert zones comes in Kapurthala, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Barnala, Mohali and Fatehgarh Sahib are predicted to face heat wave condition, including excessively warm nights. Prolonged exposure to such conditions can be particularly hazardous for the elderly, children and individuals with pre-existing health conditions. Heat wave watch, a warning has also been issued for Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Hoshiarpur, Moga, Sangrur, Rupnagar and Patiala, where temperatures remain 40 degrees Celsius, though slightly lower than the red alert zones. Weather outlook. Now, relief expected next week. The IMD forecast a potential slight relief starting from June 14 and 15, when isolated light rains and thunderstorm may occur due to the western disturbance becoming active. However, significant weather changes are expected only after June 18, with possibilities of thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds ranging from 40 to 50 kilometers an hour. Scattered rainfall across various districts. Until then, the public is advised to take precautions, avoid direct sun exposure, and stay hydrated and limit outdoor activities during peak afternoon hours. District-wise weather forecast for today: Amritsar red alert for heat wave in effect. Daytime and nighttime temperature will remain significantly high. Expected temperature range 31 to 46 degrees Celsius. Jalandhar with clear skies and intense sunlight throughout the day. The temperature will rise sharply. Expected range 29 to 43 degrees Celsius. Ludhiana heat wave alert issued. High temperature expected both during the day and night. Temperature ranging from 31 to 45 degrees Celsius. Patiala heat wave conditions will persist. Nighttime temperatures are also expected to increase, ranging from 31 to 42 degrees Celsius. Mohali stands with clear skies and remain clear and strong sunlight. Temperatures will rise during the day. Expected range 31 to 42 degrees Celsius. Precautionary advice: authorities are urging citizens, especially vulnerable groups such as the elderly, infants, outdoor workers and the people with chronic illness, to stay indoors during peak hours, that's 12 to 4 p.m. Use fan, coolers and air conditioner where available. Wear loose, light-colored clothing, drink plenty of water, and avoid caffeinated or alcoholic beverage. Check on neighbors, particularly those living alone. Emergency services are on alert and hospitals have been advised to remain prepared for heat stroke and dehydration cases. Stay hydrated, stay safe. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.